Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.